Hello and welcome to my channel Little Genius. Today we are going to prepare a wheat pizza. Let's see what are the ingredients. First we need pizza base. Let's see the ingredients. This is pizza sauce or pasta sauce. Green bell pepper. This is onion. This is red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and this is butter herb. This is oregano seed. This is chili flakes, and this is mozzarella cheese. Come, let's make the pizza. First, we have to take the butter. We have to apply the butter on the wheat pizza base. Then you have to add pizza sauce. Now you have to spread the pizza sauce. After that you have to spread the mozzarella cheese. After that add some onion and spread it. Then add red, yellow and green bell pepper and spread it nicely. See how it looks colorful. Spread it nicely and add herb seeds and oregano seeds. Then add chili flakes. 2 spoons of chili flakes. Then add normal cheese and spread it nicely. Now let's keep it in the oven. Now we have to prepare like this for 1, 2, 3, 4. I have preheated the air fryer. So we can put the pizza inside and the minutes is 6 and the Celsius is 185. Wow, wheat pizza is ready now and it looks so yummy and colorful. Can we sprinkle some leftover cheese on the top to make it cheesa? It's ready to eat now. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel Little Genius Roshan. We'll see you soon on another yummy treat.